Sorry about the rush wait, but this is a hotel room tour. There's gonna be a hotel room tour of the Quinta Inn suites in San Antonio, Texas, downtown. Right next to the elevator, room 509. Before we do anything, watch this. Yellow, it's always yellow. Pretty good. Let's get this started, shall we? Over there is a latch lock. Never mind that. There's your evacuation plan. There's a peephole right over there. There's your closet, an ironing. There's your telephone and your lights. It's on. Good. Same thing too. And there's your additional time clock. This is Cabby Blue. Lights are on. I'll show it to you now. This is Amano AC, and over there is your Amana AC, and over there is the pool, outdoor pool. Right? Very cool. So over there is your, what's this called again? Yeah, I think that this used to be this, but yeah. Over there, you can see a good view here. The other one should be the Hampton Inn, but I think it's the Hampton Inn, but it is the other section right somewhere here. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, but over there there's a place where you can, work on whatever. There's your mini fridge, your food. Normally there's no timer. Yeah, I don't think you can open it, but is there a way to open it? Yeah, I don't think there's a way to open it. All right, there's your Betty's, whatever this is called. Over there is something. The mattress is nice and clean. I don't see any red flags in it, which is something else. Just there's your drawers. That one is a fake one, and same thing too. But there's no Holy Bible here and there. But right over in there, the light on and the fan. There's your lock right there. No brand, I think it's a Kohler. Yeah. And this is a crane. Now normally I don't do this anymore, but apparently when someone is doing number 2 one, apparently it got stuck. So please pardon please pardon my parents did before they can what this is called. But yeah, hopefully they managed to fix it. Okay, but anyways, over there is your tub right there, and you can see here you can change it. So yeah, you can change shower head, normally that, but alright. There it goes, drops down. Yeah. So yeah, it drops down anyways, but so obviously you can see me. So yeah, so and there's your lotion, and it's properly secured. You can see here. Now you get the idea. So there's your tissues, and you get So, but yeah, so this is a nice place. The only problem is the toilet, because some people clog the toilet by accident. So yeah, hopefully you get the idea. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this room tour. There's more. I'm gonna go to Houston. It's gonna be so much fun. I apologize if I'm using my dad's phone right now. I have to save a lot of storage, like I said. But the good news is, I have 59 gigabytes left, so I can still use my phone right now, as long as I don't do it too much. If it goes up to 60 what's this called again? 60 gigabytes, if I said this right. But yeah, so right over there is your Samsung flat screen TV, if I said this right or not. But yeah, so anyways, guys, really hope you enjoyed it. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell for notifications, and later on I can do another one. Okay, so, and I already know Houston is not friendly photography, so I may have to watch out and just do at my risk, so whatsoever. So anyways, guys, I don't see one over there, but anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, luckily there's no safe, but if there's a safe one, I can still demonstrate it for all of you. But yeah, so anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. That's it.